Hello viewers, are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboards 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best ergonomic keyboards 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Logitech Ergo K860 Wireless Ergonomic Qwerty Keyboard Split Keyboard. Wrist rest, natural typing, stain-resistant fabric, Bluetooth and USB connectivity. Experience ultimate comfort and efficiency with the Logitech Ergo K860 Wireless Ergonomic Qwerty Keyboard. Designed to enhance your typing experience, this split keyboard features a curved design and cushioned palm rest, promoting a more natural wrist posture and reducing muscle strain. The innovative split layout helps align wrists and forearms to minimize fatigue during extended typing sessions. Crafted with stain-resistant fabric, this keyboard maintains its sleek appearance even with daily use. Enjoy seamless connectivity with both Bluetooth and USB options, allowing flexibility across devices. The Whisper Quiet keys ensure a peaceful work environment without compromising on performance. Whether you're a professional writer, programmer, or simply someone who values ergonomic design, the Logitech Ergo K860 delivers unmatched comfort and productivity. Upgrade your typing experience today and embrace a more natural way to work. Number 2. StainResistant Split Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo 2.4 GHz USB Receiver Ergo Keyboards 3 Adjustable DPI Mice for Computer. Introducing the StainResistant Split Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo, designed for ultimate comfort and productivity. With a 2.4 GHz USB receiver, experience seamless connectivity without tangled wires. The split keyboard layout reduces strain on wrists and arms, promoting a natural typing position. Accompanied by a mouse featuring 3 adjustable DPI settings, enjoy precise cursor control tailored to your preference. Whether you're working or gaming, this combo offers versatility and ergonomic support. Upgrade your computing experience with StainResistant's intuitive design and wireless freedom. Unlock a new level of efficiency and comfort with this ergonomic duo. Number 3. X9 Ergonomic Keyboard Wired with Cushioned Wrist Rest Type Naturally and Comfortably Longer USB Wired Keyboard for Laptop with 110 keys and 5 feet cable. Experience typing like never before with the X9 Ergonomic Keyboard Wired, engineered for ultimate comfort and productivity. Boasting a cushioned wrist rest, this keyboard allows you to type naturally and comfortably for extended periods, reducing strain and fatigue on your wrists. With its 110 keys layout, including multimedia keys, and a 5 feet USB cable, it seamlessly connects to your laptop or desktop, providing a reliable and efficient typing experience. The ergonomic design promotes proper wrist alignment, minimizing the risk of repetitive strain injuries. Whether you're a professional writer, programmer, or avid gamer, the X9 Ergonomic Keyboard Wired enhances your typing efficiency and comfort, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Upgrade your typing experience today and feel the difference with the X9 Ergonomic Keyboard Wired. Number 4. DeLUX GM902 Wireless Ergonomic Split Keyboard Rechargeable for Natural Typing and Reduce Hands Pain with 2.4G Wireless and BT1 plus BT2, Scissor Switch-In. Introducing the DeLUX GM902 Wireless Ergonomic Split Keyboard, a revolution in typing comfort and efficiency. Designed to alleviate hand strain and promote natural typing posture, this keyboard is a game changer for anyone who spends hours at the computer. With its split layout, your hands are positioned in a more relaxed and ergonomic manner, reducing the risk of repetitive strain injuries. Equipped with both 2.4G wireless and Bluetooth connectivity options, BT1 plus BT2, this keyboard offers flexibility and convenience, allowing you to switch between devices seamlessly. The scissor switch mechanism provides tactile feedback and precise key response, enhancing typing accuracy and speed. Say goodbye to hand pain and hello to productivity with the DeLUX GM902. Its rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, while its sleek and modern design adds a touch of sophistication to any workspace. Upgrade your typing experience today and discover the difference with DeLUX. Number 5. ProtoArc Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard Mouse. EKM01 Ergo Bluetooth Keyboard and Mouse Combo. Split design, palm rest, multi-device, rechargeable. Introducing the ProtoArc Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard Mouse. EKM01 Ergo Bluetooth Keyboard and Mouse Combo. A dynamic fusion of comfort and functionality. Engineered with a split design and integrated palm rest, this combo ensures optimal ergonomic support, reducing strain during extended typing and navigation sessions. Enjoy seamless connectivity across multiple devices with Bluetooth technology, eliminating the hassle of cords and cables. Switch effortlessly between your computer, tablet, or smartphone with just a push of a button. With rechargeable batteries, you can bid farewell to constant replacements, promoting sustainability and cost-effectiveness. Experience uninterrupted productivity with extended battery life, keeping you powered through your workday. Enhance your workspace with the sleek and modern design of the ProtoArc EKM01, elevating both style and performance. Upgrade your typing and navigation experience today with the ProtoArc Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard Mouse Combo.